Hello everyone, welcome again. Welcome to Python programming, and today I gonna show you how a list is different from the tuple and which features tells the list is mutable and tuple is immutable. So here step by step follow the process for identify that list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Let's start. So firstly I will take a list. So here I am defining three types of variables, one integer, one floating point, and one string, suppose Amit. Okay, you know that if we want to change the data inside the list, so we can simply define a. So it is 10 position is 0 index, it is 1 index, and it is 2 index. So if I want to change the data 4.5 in place of we change the data 5.2 in place of 4.5, then we just simply define a1 equals to 5.2, and I just print the a. So my list will be updated and it will replace the data 4.5 by this 5.2. Okay, let's check. Yes, it's updated. Okay, if I want to append the data, that means I want to add something data new inside the list. So what I will do a dot append, and here I just give the data, that is the suppose uh Jatin. Okay, so Jatin I want to add this one. Okay, now Jatin will be add after the Amit inside a list. So check it one time. Yeah, it's updated. So Jatin just takes place after the Amit. And if we want to place this Jatin in position wise, that's also can be done. And for this one, you have to write here insert, and here you have to give the position. So here in like the unlike the previous, it will not erase the data. Okay, it will place the data in that position and it forward this value into one position. Okay, it will forward the value. So look at this. If I give position 1 comma, then what it will print? It will not erase any data, it will just take place the new value and forward the previous value one step forward. Okay, hope you all understand this concept. Now comes to the tuple. Here is the tuple. In b variable I am taking a tuple. Both examples I am writing such that you will able to clear understand. Okay, so here same data I am taking 4.5, but you know that we tuple we define by the parenthesis. Okay, here is the Amit and I am defining this tuple. So this is now made a tuple. Now if I want to apply this one, a sorry b b1 position equals to, I change the value to Amit to Jatin. Whatever we have done for the list in previously you have seen, it will tell look what it will print. Alt F5, it will print an error. Why? Here it is printable. Tuple object does not support item assignment. That means it is a private part. When you defining a tuple, that is behave like a private. That means you cannot alter or change the data from a tuple. But where inside a list you can change the data as you want. You can modify the data inside the list. But if I want to add the data, that's also can be done for the another variable. Suppose c variable, c equals to, I want to add two data, suppose 1 comma Jatin. That should be acceptable. And if I want to add I'm just omitting this one, and here B plus C. So concatenation also can be done, but append in special position, changing the values not can be done. So these features we can call tuple is, so tuple is immutable, means not changeable, and list is mutable, that means it's changeable. So what is the process of recall this one? Here is the trick. Here is the many alphabets. It is also many alphabets. So many alphabets, many alphabets, less alphabets, less alphabets. So it is the process of remembering the concept. Sometimes you just puzzle, what is the tuple is mutable or immutable, mutable, immutable. So tuple is the consisting much alphabets, immutable also much alphabets. So one you can easily you can remember this concept. Okay, hope you understand. Which features distinguish between the list and tuple is mutability. So tuple is mutable, and tuple is immutable, and list is mutable. Okay, hope you all understand these features. So let's try it and try it yourself. If you want to a single type of data, you just erase this one, and one comma you have to give, otherwise it will not act as a tuple. It will not act as a tuple if you not give, if you not give this one, so it will show error. Look, so single value cannot be tuple. Now it is the value. If I give just one, just comma, so it will take the value. Look, it's taken. Okay, so lots of things you have note by this class. So hope you all understand and try it yourself. Thank you, have a nice day.